YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to transfer your S from your exchange account Bybit, for instance, to Tonkeeper or Tonspace. In this video I'm going to use Tonspace. From what S Empire stated on their app, they said S holder status. You have no S token, you can purchase them on Bybit exchange. Who is the S holder? The one who for the last 30 days the balance of S was always greater than 0. It's that simple. You do not need to send or freeze this token. Just hold S in an on-chain wallet. The higher the minimum amount for 30 days, the bigger the bonus can be. See more details. So when you click the details, you see what they are trying to say. Example calculation. One of the friendly projects announced a listing. We look at all S holders who have always had a positive balance of S for 30 days. Those who had more than S will get a bigger airdrop. Those who had less than S will get a smaller airdrop. Important point: you need to keep your S token on any on-chain wallet you like, not on the exchange. If your tokens are on an exchange account, unfortunately we will not be able to see them and mark you as S holder. So what they are saying here, that if you have your S token on Tonkeeper or Tonspace, you can receive this bonus they are trying to offer. If you owe the X on any of this wallet, when friendly projects are being listed, they will distribute bonus from those projects to S holders. So what I'm going to do in this video is to transfer my S on Bybit to Tonspace, because since I'm not selling now, there's no need of keeping it there when it's not going to yield anything for me. It's better I transfer it to S holder for me to benefit from other projects that are going to be distributed freely. So if you are holding your S in your exchange, any of your exchange, Bybit or Bybit, you can easily transfer it back to either Tonkeeper or Tonspace. So watch this video and see how I'm going to do it. So for now, I'm going to use the Tonspace. Now I've already connected my Tonspace wallet. So let's go to Tonspace and let me show you example of what I'm trying to do. This is my Tonspace. So if you want to use Tonspace, it's very easy. Let me go back and show you where to connect it. Now from your Telegram, click here, you will see wallet. After profile, after my profile, click on the wallet and your Tonspace will come out. Now click on Tonspace beta. This is what I have on my own. This is the first. Click on this place. Once it opens like this, you click on this place, you see Tonspace. Tap on it, it will open. Now click deposit. You can see deposit from here. Click deposit, copy the wallet address, and let's go to Bybit and do the remaining tasks. Now here in Bybit, let's wait for it to open. Here in Bybit, we are going to withdraw our X. But before we do our S, this is what we are going to do. Go to Asset. Click on Transfer. Because your S is on a unifying trade, if you try to withdraw it, it will not withdraw. You have to move it from unifying trade to funding. We have funding here, we have unified trade. So I'll click on transfer, then look for X. Tap on this ETA here, type S on the search bar, then you will see it here. Tap on S. Okay, now transfer, click on this arrow from unifying trade to funding. You tap the arrow at the middle, it will change position. Now the unified trading account will be on top, that is where the X is, while funding will be down. Now when you come down, you see maximum, you see the number of tokens you have on X. Click on maximum, then confirm. You are moving everything from unifying trading to funding. Now it has been moved. Let's click withdraw. Now we can click withdraw here. Now you can see your S. Tap on the X. Okay, this is the place to withdraw. Now the first place you will see here is address. Paste the address you copy into this place, your ton space address. It could be your ton keeper address also, any of them you are using. Now select network. The network must be ton in order not to make mistake. This is the ton network. Tag/memo is optional because it is under ton network. You are not transferring from another network to ton. This is ton to ton. Now how much do you want to transfer? I am transferring all maximum. So what they are going to give me is 105,991. They are removing 1,000 as a gas fee. So confirm. I'll click withdraw now to confirm the transaction. Okay, tap confirm again. I'll go and get the code. The code is sent to my email first. Let's go and get it. Let's go and get the code. Copy the code from the email. Let me copy it. This is 6 digits. Let's go back to Bybit. Paste it here. Then we need a logo authentication. Let me go and copy that one too. For Bybit. Let's go. Okay, this is it. 948156. Let's quickly do it. 948956. Will it go? No, it didn't work. Let's go back. Let's go back and copy it again. Where is it? 222767. Okay, this one will work. 222767. Good. Withdraw application submitted. Now we go to a ton space to check if it has arrived. This is how easy to carry out this transaction. You just have to follow the video and watch carefully all the steps so that you will not make mistake. If you make mistake, you will lose your coin. Let it open. It has not arrived. Let's see if we have it here. Okay, here to see it. Good, it has arrived. You can see it here. So we have 105,991. This is it. So this is how cool it is to do the transaction. So let's go back to our X app to confirm if the token is there. Let's go to S. Let's open it. We'll get it. Good. Let's check if it is showing on the app. Since we have connected the app to the Tokeeper. Okay, you can see very clearly. You are keeping 105,992x. 22 more days to become a holder. Good. So I will leave this for 22 days for me to qualify to receive whatever token they are going to distribute from other apps that are being listed from their friends network. So this is how easy to do this. You can use Space or Tokeeper. So watch the video and follow the step in the video. If this is the first time you are coming across my channels, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive a notification whenever I make a post or upload a new video, and also like and share this video. You can watch my playlist. I have other videos there that are interesting, and